Hey and welcome back to another Darkfall video. So today I just wanted to make a quick video explaining the new type of content that I'm going to be uploading. So it's not going to affect the Blender tutorials, they will always be uploaded either Sunday or Monday. I'm going to continue to do that. But from now on, maybe once or twice a month, I'm going to upload some FL Studio tutorials. Maybe if you just want to create some sound effects, or maybe you want to create some background music for your scenes, or whatever it may be. But if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments below. First I'll go through the basics of the program and then show you how you can create a song. And then in the future we'll go into other topics like sound effects, background music, ambience, things like that. So hopefully you guys will be interested in that. Most of you guys are interested in just animation or visual effects, but sound design is a big part of selling your final results. So in most cases the go-to response would be go to Google or find some free sound effects. But maybe you want to start creating your own or creating something more complex and different, then hopefully these tutorials will help. So I just wanted to make a quick video explaining that. Again, just to reassure you guys who only want to watch Blender stuff, that won't be affected. I will continue to make those. So as always, thank you for your support and see you next time.